over there.
Okay, here's Danielle conquering her fear.
They're close enough. Stay there. Please stay there.
Feed one from your hand.
Why did you get all puffy? Why did you get all puffy?
They're gonna fight over the bread.
Don't fight. Please don't fight by me. Oh, Nikki, why is it charging at me? Here. Oh, God, I have a heart attack. Nikki, why is it coming closer?
Because you're not feeding them fast enough.
Oh, God. I'll throw wherever you want me to. Stay away. Go away.
Feed it from your hand.
No. That's scary. Nikki, how did it get closer? Oh! Ay, here. Oh. Why they gotta come so close, Nick?
Because you have the bread and you're not throwing it.
Oh, see? Yeah, you look at that. Did you see that? You pulled feathers. That could be my leg. Here, I'm feeding you. Oh no, Nikki, it's time to go. We almost had bread, and they're still coming. There's more. Here.
You're giving them huge pieces.
I'm so scared.
Look, there's a whole line of them coming.
Oh.
When you run out of food, they're going to attack you.
Nikki, it's so funny. They won't let me get on the other side of the car. Oh my God.